Getting the wow response. That's a response you want from your customers. You want them to be so happy about their experience with your business that they actually say or think, wow. Once a customer says wow about the great experience they had with a business, they usually become very loyal customers. They're unlikely to switch to a competitor. They refer new people and new business to the business. Even if someone at the company makes a mistake in their regard, they're likely to easily forgive. In my book, Catapult Your Business to New Heights, I tell several stories of businesses that developed ways of getting a wow response over and over from customers. Now, certainly you've been a customer before and you had a great experience with a business and said or thought, wow, it made you into a loyal customer of that business. Consider how you might get the wow response from your own customers. What does your business sell? Thinking as if you are one of your own customers, consider what they expect from your business in terms of the sales process and customer service. Describe what they expect from your business at a minimum. Describe what your customers expect from your business that would make them think, that was good, but not necessarily a wow, that was great. Now let's do a brainstorm. List some ideas about what your business might do for customers, either during the sales process or through other customer service opportunities, in order to get the wow response. After you brainstorm that list, for each idea, ask yourself, how can you implement the idea? How much work will it take? And how much will it cost? Then prioritize the list. Now, which of the ideas you brainstorm can you do before the others? You could choose between 1 and 3 to start with. What is it going to take for you to actually start implementing? Now let's talk about traits, and specifically the following traits: sincerity, trustworthiness, respect, patience, and helpfulness. Now for each of these traits, rate on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best, how well you believe you and your employees model that trait in the eyes of your customers. Then for each, also write down why you believe your customers would rate you, your business, and your people at that number rating. Next, for any of the traits for which you did not score a 10, brainstorm ideas for how your business could improve on each of those traits. For example, how would a customer feel and believe that you are being sincere, trustworthy, respectful, patient, or helpful? Take some time to think about how you want your customers to experience your business. What if they always had a great experience? Describe what each scenario would look like in your business's best practices during the following scenarios. Your prospect inquires about your product or service. A new customer buys for the first time. Your new customer receives their product or service. Your customer contacts you about a problem regarding the product or service. Someone at your business contacts the customer to follow up either after a sale or after a customer service inquiry. The customer returns to buy more. So how can you start to implement your best practices? All these ideas and work I've given you in this video will lead to you getting more wow responses from your customers, which will lead to more customer loyalty, which will lead to business growth. I cover this topic and more in my book, Catapult Your Business to New Heights, Surefire Strategies to Increase Profit, which is available from Amazon. The link is in the video's description box below the video. Get more information from my website, borgesonconsulting.com, where you can find out about strategies for business growth, individual and group coaching, books, and other resources to help take your business and your leadership to new levels of growth. Links to that are also in the video's description box. You can tap one of the images on the right side of the screen to watch more videos on business growth strategies.